since right now, since we're more into like more modern environment because of school. So we always on a daily basis we always see like buildings and stuff. Now when we come here, it's like a new experience, like a natural environment. So we get like it's like a sort of escape from the stress and all of those stuff. So we come here, it's just like a fresh air. So I think it's better. Like, I think it's a good place, just like to release some stresses.
Nowadays we don't really think of it because like, we usually are dependent on our parents, so like they just usually think of it. I learned from my parents that you should actually check on everything, whether it includes the expiry date and also like how natural it is. Some are like given like a few chemicals or something so that they look pretty, but they're actually bad for you.
Our exports are mostly focused on oil and gas, and our Sultan is actually telling and advising the people to be more focused on their like organic farming. So yeah, and I think it's actually a very big like thing that we should focus on, as it can it can provide us with like our own local foods, and it can also provide us with like, employment and all that in those sectors.